Here are the low-rise tower elevators at the Bank of America building. You can take that. That's going down.
Yeah.
One. Dang, we didn't get it with the red chime. 12. 2. Alright. Yeah, that's it. These elevators have changed since my last visit. Alright, looks like someone's getting up. Take a quick count on this thing. That's it. Elevator number 6 has the rare up chime. Can we get it? Oh, sorry. And we got it. All right. We got the one with the rare floor passing chime. Nice. That's it. Here are the high-rise tower elevators at the Bank of America building. Let's go up this time. Oh, this one's awesome. Nice. 21. 21's locked. Huh. 1. That's unusual. Guess they locked the 21st floor off. It's really interesting. Oh, we could go up to 20. Okay, well, let's go up to 20 then. These are Otis Elevonic 401s with Newer Lexan fixtures, but they've got their fixtures replaced by Otis. See this classic leveling on the way down. 2. Let's take a cat view. These elevators are actually somewhat cooler with these new buttons. Let's see that button. We got it. Classic level. That's it.